Oh, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. This is a video simply on reviewing an eyeshadow palette. Today, it is all about Rude Cosmetics, their Pro Rude palette. Stay tuned. Guys, so isn't this an adorable box? It's Rude Pro and balloons. How beautiful. On the back it shows an array of just magnificent colors, and it's 60 colors. So I'm going to show you the palette. It's so adorable. I hope I can get it all in camera, on camera. Okay. Yeah, really nice. Just beautiful colors. So I don't really have a look in mind, but I want to use some of their more vibrant colors and some of the shimmers, because you know me, my day-to-day go-to look is simply and always matte and neutrals. But I've been stepping it up a bit and stepping outside the box just to try some of the palettes that I haven't been using in a long time, and I want to make sure that I do use them. So, okay, here we go. And full disclosure and disclaimer, I am using more than likely Morphe brushes. I love them. They're my go-to brushes. Why change? Okay. So let me see here. What are we going to do today? I've dipped into the blues. I've dipped into the... I think I'm going to go with this one here. It has some nice yellows and some very spring colors. Bright, beautiful colors. Let me see, they have it taped, so I have to lift up a little bit. Okay. Wow. Okay, so let's do pink. We'll do pink and see where it takes us, huh? So pretty good. Not a lot of fallout. I'm not sure if the pigmentation will be what I'm looking for. This is a bright pink. It looks kind of faded on my lid for some reason. I do have... what am I using here? This is Tarte Shape Tape. I did prime my eyes first and put a little translucent powder on top. Okay, so now I'm seeing the pink. Alright, so it's kind of nice. I came on with full face simply to make sure that the whole focus of the video is about the eyeshadow palette and not the rest of my makeup. Okay. So, a little bit of fallout in the pink, but not much, not much. Let me see here. Okay. Then I'll go in with a little bit deeper shade. Oh, that's not what I wanted. Yep, this one here. Okay. So we're just taking it a shade up. Unfortunately, they do not have names. I have no idea what I'm using. There are probably names on the back of the box. Nope, no names. Oh, well. It's a nice, neat palette. You could actually travel with this. It's kind of beautiful. It folds up neatly and nicely into like a compact size. I kind of like that. To be able to have 60 shades readily available when you travel, what more you want? And it's blending well. Excuse me, my nose is running a little bit. Blending well, kind of nice. Kind of nice. It's spring here, and I've been actually taking an allergy pill every day. I've been doing it now for about a year or so. And still, it's just these allergies. So much pollen in the air. It can be annoying sometimes. Okay, so I'm going in. I'm doing all pinks and a little bit of mauve, but mainly pink. Different shades of pink. I'll show you once I'm done. But I am liking this palette. Kind of nice, kind of nice. It is evolving into something that I really like. Okay. Quincy, stop making all that noise. I kid you not, you guys, he is completely quiet until the camera's rolling. Trust me. And I'm just blending so that I don't have any harsh lines or anything. And it's blending quite well. Trust me. Just gonna use my handy dandy brush to smooth things out. Okay, so now I went in with that one. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of a shimmer. Ooh, I'm scared. Let's see, I'll do a little bit of a shimmer just to brighten it up a bit. Trying these palettes is so fun because I'm totally stepping out of my comfort zone. I mean, yesterday I think I had blue eyes, the day before that red. It's quite nice to do different shades. Be adventurous, why not? Okay. I'm loving it, loving it. Okay, so I'm gonna go in. Ooh, what should I do? Let me see, try this one, and I'm mixing it. Give me a little bit of a darker look on the end. There was a little bit of fallout in that last color, more than normal. Guess maybe because it was a little darker, I'm not sure. Just want to give it a little bit of a fine tuning here. Okay, nice. Okay, so, ooh, let me see. What else am I going to do? There's so many options with 60 shades. I love it. Okay, hold tight. Stand up here for me now. Okay. I think I'll go in. And trust me, they're all in the pink and burgundy color zone. Fold that in a bit. Wow, okay. Let me see here. On the darker color, it's a little bit of a fallout, like I mentioned. Just with one color, though. I'm not sure why. I'm not sure why. Okay, I'm going to darken that up a little bit under my eye. It's nice. Okay, wow. What vibrant colors. They're very beautiful. Do something a little daring and blend this out. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit more to fine tune it. I'm gonna do my liner, mascara, and lashes off, and I'll show you guys the final look. But so far, I love it. Very little fallout except for one color. I'm liking the blending of it. And, okay. All right, I'll be back. Okay, so I did my eyeliner, mascara, and lashes off camera. And I added a little bit of what is that? A highlight on my nose. And this is the final look. I am so elated about this palette. Trust and believe. And except for one color that allowed a little bit more fallout than the others, it was beautiful. It's just beautiful. I can't believe it. And I think this was like $20 for 60 shades. That's kind of crazy. But I'm going to try and go in a little close so you can see. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. And this pink is just unbelievable. I am so out of my comfort zone. Trust and believe. So I'm going to show you the palette again. This is Rude Cosmetics. It's actually a Korean company out of Los Angeles. And it's called Rude Pro Balloons. It's 60 shades. I highly, highly, highly recommend you guys go to their website, check them out. It doesn't get better than this. I kid you not. To be able to have 60 shades and it folds up to this nice little, it's not even a wallet, it's like a passport size palette. And to keep it in your purse, take it with you when you travel. So, except for the one shade that gave me issues, I'm going to give the Rude Cosmetics Rude Pro Balloon Palette with 60 shades a 4-star. So outside of that, because I had to kind of dust things off and it was a little messy, I'm not sure what happened, but it was a darker pink. All right, you guys, let me know your thoughts. Check out Rude Cosmetics. They have beautiful stuff, just beautiful, beautiful. I have a couple of more palettes I'm going to be reviewing on my channel. So thank you guys so much, and don't forget to click the JB and subscribe to this happy little family. Click the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I have a lot of new things coming on those social networks. And also check out Jacqueline's Beauty blog. Thanks, you guys. See you in my next video. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.